Hey, what's going on, everybody? Let's talk about Credo Technology, ticker symbol CRDO, and why I think they could benefit from the AI boom. All the AI data centers that companies like Microsoft and Amazon are building need a ton of high speed plumbing to connect everything. That's exactly what Credo does and makes the super fast cables and chips that let AI servers talk to each other. The big question is this stock a buy? We've dug in and we're going to do a good breakdown for you guys, the bull, the bear case, and ultimately like why I'm bullish on this company for the long haul and the AI boom. So let's get into the bull case, right? First, let's talk about why you might want to own this stock. Riding the AI gold rush is one of them. The AI boom is real and it's creating a massive demand for new data centers. Credo is like the company selling the best pickaxes and shovels in this gold rush. As long as the AI trend continues, Credo has a huge runway for growth. It's also a secret weapon in tech. Credo has a really smart way of making its chips. Instead of using the newest, most expensive tech, they cleverly use slightly older, proven tech to get amazing performance. Think of it like a master chef making a gourmet meal with simple ingredients. It's cheaper, uses less power, and it just works. This gives them a big advantage. They are also the king of the smart cable. Credo dominates a market for something like AECs or active electrical cables. These are basically super smart copper cables for connecting servers inside a rack. They are cheaper and more power efficient than fancy fiber optic cables. In the world of AI, where every penny and every watt of power counts, this is actually a pretty big deal. And getting more customers. A while back, Credo relied way too much on one single customer, which was way too risky, but that's changing fast. They are now selling to multiple big tech giants and are adding even more. This makes the company much safer and stronger for the future. But let's get into the bear case. It can't always be good news. They still have customer problems, even though it's getting better. A huge chunk of their sales still come from just a couple big clients. If one of them decides to switch suppliers or cut back on spending, it would hurt Credo's bottom line a lot. They're in a fight with giants. Credo is competing against massive companies like Broadcom and Marvell. These guys are like the Goliaths of the industry with deep pockets and long-standing relationships. Credo is the David here, and they have to keep fighting to win. The stock is expensive right now. Wall Street already knows Credo is a good company, and the stock price reflects that. It's not cheap. This means if they even have one bad quarter or any bad news, the stock could take a big hit. There's not a lot of room for error here. They don't make their own chips. Credo is a designer. They rely on factories, mostly in Asia, to actually build their products. This means any trade wars, political issues, or factory shutdowns could cause major problems for them. What's my final take and why am I bullish? So, looking at both sides, the risks are real and you shouldn't ignore them, but we believe the good outweighs the bad here. The AI trend is a tidal wave, and Credo is perfectly positioned to ride it. Their technology is a perfect fit for what AI data centers need right now: high speed, low power, low cost. While they still need to get more customers, they are clearly heading in the right direction. And as the company gets bigger, it's set up to become incredibly profitable. We believe that for investors who can handle some ups and downs, Credo Technology is a compelling long-term bet on the future of AI. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about Credo? I'm actually super bullish on Credo long-term, just riding this AI gold rush for the future. However, I do expect some volatility. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Later.